Welcome to your Golden Prosperity Ritual, created by Willow and Wicks. This short guided ritual is here to help you align with abundance and open your energy to receive prosperity in all areas of your life. Let's begin by setting the space. Set your candle on a heat-safe tray, dish, or fireproof surface. Next, open your green sachet and carefully sprinkle the herb blend in a circle around the base of the candle. These herbs, calendula flowers, cinnamon bark, and orange peel granules, are a sacred blend for wealth, joy, and personal power. Now open your mini glass bottle of gold makeup powder. Sprinkle a small pinch over the herbs around the candle to activate the blend with golden energy. If your candle is unlit, you may also lightly dust a small amount of makeup onto the wax surface, but keep it away from the wick as a symbol of inviting light and prosperity. Next, take your citrine crystal and hold it in your palm. In the palm of your hand, feel its warmth. Let it connect to your intention. Next, let's talk about the meaning behind the tools that you have in your ritual kit. These sacred tools are more than just materials. Calendula symbolizes joy and radiant energy. Cinnamon bark draws money and success. Orange peel awakens luck and opportunity. Makeup embodies richness and radiant light. Citrine is the stone of abundance, confidence, and clarity. Now let's begin to center yourself. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Breathe in abundance and breathe out doubt. Feel your energy settle. Feel your heart open. Now imagine a golden light rising from the flame, flowing around your body. It surrounds you with warmth, with peace, with possibility. This is the energy of prosperity. You are not chasing it, you are becoming it. Next, let's begin with our affirmations. I want you to repeat after me. I welcome abundance in all forms. Prosperity flows freely to me. I am aligned with wealth, joy, and success. I am open. I am ready. I am worthy. Next, let's seal your ritual. When your ritual is complete, you have two powerful options to seal your intention. Your first option is you can carry your intention. By doing so, you just need to gently gather the herbs you sprinkled around your candle and return them back into the green sachet. You can keep it close to you. Keep it in your purse, wallet, drawer, or a sacred space as a daily reminder of the abundance you're calling in. Your second option is you can offer it to the earth. With gratitude, bury the herbs in your sachet beneath a tree, near your front door, or in a flower pot, returning your intention to the universe to grow and multiply. Next, let your candle continue to burn safely as you journal, meditate, or simply enjoy the peaceful ambiance. This 5-minute guided ritual and meditation is a powerful tool to help you align with abundance and call in prosperity with clarity and intention. Whether you're using the Golden Prosperity Ritual Kit by Willow and Wicks or simply lighting a candle and following along, this moment is yours to embrace abundance in all its forms. Through calming breathwork, intentional tools, empowering affirmations, and the sacred flame, you've created space to connect with the frequency of wealth and success. This ritual was lovingly crafted to support your journey towards wholeness and expansion. Please subscribe to Willow and Wicks for more guided rituals, candle magic, and soul-centered intention work. Be radiant, be abundant, and be aligned.